Friends, in this video we will learn about what settings we have to make when we first install the AutoCAD. When you first install the AutoCAD, you will see the screen as here. Now here, first thing that you have to do is we should make the mode into AutoCAD Classic. So you see here there is one settings menu in the workspace. So the workspace we should change to AutoCAD Classic. So when we change this, so some changes appear on your screen. So now after that what we have to do is we right click on the grid display here, and a menu appears. In this menu you press the settings, and in this settings we press the snap on. We change the snap size to 0.25. we change the grid size also to 0.25, and we should switch on the 2D model space and we should switch off the adaptive grid. We should switch off the display grid beyond limit. Now in this particular window, whatever steps we have discussed, these steps are to be done even if the AutoCAD is already installed on your computer and you open it several times. So these kind of settings you will have to repeatedly do. So if you want to avoid this, you can make a standard file with this. But rest of the settings which I will be discussing further, and also the one which I discussed in the beginning, which is to change the workspace to AutoCAD Classic, these settings will remain same. These settings will be retained, while the settings on the window which is appearing on your screen, so these settings will have to be repeated every time you open a new file. Okay, once I finish this, I'll press OK. Now I'll change the next thing that you have to do is again go to the settings. Here we have to see that object snap. So everything is unchecked. What we do, we clear all. So all the things are unchecked. 3D object snap also we should clear all. It is already clear all. In the dynamic input, we should uncheck the enable pointer input. We should uncheck the enable dimension input where possible. And in this further, you click on the options button, and the new window appears on your screen. Here in this window you go to the display tab. In the display tab you change the crosshair size to 100% like this. The next is you go to the user preferences tab. In the user preferences tab you activate the keyboard entry rather than the running object snap. So keyboard entry you will activate, and then you will press the apply button and press OK. Okay, so this way the screen appears. Now you can also change the limits from 00 to 27, 10 and press enter. Now zoom off. You can see here all the settings are there. So now the AutoCAD is ready for working. Now if suppose I want to avoid repeating these steps, I can save this file as a standard file. I'll note down where I'm saving. I'm saving it in my documents. So standard one std, I'll save it. Now I close it. Now I close it. Then suppose now I want to open, so in the documents, in the my documents, I'll see where that standard file is, std. I'll double click on that. So here it opens with the same settings. I don't need to repeat the settings. I can always work on it, and then I can save the files using the save as button. So I can save this as my assignment 1, and I can put my ID number here, let us say 455, and then I can save further. So before I start working, I should rename the standard file. When I open the standard file, I should rename it with the assignment of the day, and then I can save it and I'll start working on it. This way the AutoCAD has to be started. Thank you.